Welcome to the next installment of Burger Bites with Todd. In today's video, we'll answer the question, what is the best technique for taking burgers off the grill?
And I'm going to take these off of the grill, and I'm going to do this in a way that I have the least amount of disruption to the burger patty. Because once again, I want to save all that moisture. And we have 3 really good looking burgers there. I'm going to cover those up with aluminum foil. And I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes. This is actually the hardest part in my house because I have 6 kids and they're all standing at the island in our kitchen, ravenous, ready to eat, and it's really hard for them to look at those burgers and wait to eat them.
Thank you for watching today's Burger Bite with Todd. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website at bluenestbeef.com, on our Facebook page, or by simply leaving a comment below. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to hear more Burger Bites with Todd. Also, check out these additional videos to learn more today.